Hey kids, how are you? Well, today's book was assigned in relation to what we saw in science today. We saw liquids and gases and evaporation. So I thought it would be cool to leave you a book about experiments with solids, liquids, and gases, and that you could see especially what happens when liquid becomes a gas, which we call, or vapor, which we call evaporation. This is a true book, very similar of the book you read on Monday, the one that facts about toys. That's a true book. It says, find the truth. Everything you're about to read is true, except for one of the sentences in this page. This is a pretty cool book because I assigned it to in order for you to start making and answering questions and that you be able to differ true from false sentences. So in this case, I would love for you to tell me which is true. Which one is true? True or false? Some reptiles can walk on water. True or false? And heavy cream is made only of liquid. Is that true or false? And you are going to find the answer inside the book. You're going to have like, what are the states of matter? We saw that in class. Solid state, which would be the solid state of water. Which would be the solid state of water. Here it says the three phases of H2O, which is water. How do liquids behave? So you're supposed to experiment with that today. You're going to put some water in different containers to see how much volume they take up. Gases all around you. Remember we saw around today. In page 46, you got important words. Please check that out. And you're going to find some facts like molecules are two or more atoms combined. That is the definition of molecules, what molecules are. So I hope you enjoy the book. I'm not going to read it to you. There's a lot for you to see. But I hope you read it and you close or all your idea connections to understand all the states of matter. I love you very much. See you tomorrow.